Now to make the daisy, I'm just going to put a little mound with a number 12 round tip of the green in the middle of the center of the flower. This will be. And then of course I have to do the petals. This is the 104 which I have the white buttercream in. It's good to have a paper towel or something by you too to wipe off the tip. And I take the fat end and you just want to go out with it like this. So that's a petal. And you want to do at least 12 of them. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And as you can see, there's gaps in between because that's what you want. Because you're going to make another layer where the gap is, you want to just go back into that layer and do another 12. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Another layer, but you want to bring your pipe up a little bit more this time. And then if you want, you can put the yellow in, which is just the writer's tip number 1.